Hello guys, my name is Saksham from saksham-sharma.com. You can connect me on Facebook. My Facebook handle is facebook.com/saksh SAKSH 1995. You can send me a friend request. We can talk about some stuff, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, some stuff in general. You can send me a friend request and we can become friends. And yeah. So basically, today, what I'm talking about time management and organizing yourself. Uh, Generally, when we work from home, the time management concept is generally overlooked. We thought that we have all the time, uh, but when you are working from home, you need to be self-disciplined. You have to differentiate your work from family time. You have to put your focus and your basically you need to be differentiate your family time and your work time because it generally overtook each other. So today I'm going to give you some tips and some tips that I generally follow that you can also follow. And the number one thing that I use while managing my work is to have a notebook. Hope you can see this. I have this notebook in which I wrote all my upcoming work. I wrote my to-do list, and I before making these training videos, I wrote it down what I need to talk about. Uh, Even for this video, I wrote some few of the things that I'm going to talk in this video. So basically, have a notebook and have a to-do list uh, where you write it down your overall goals, your monthly goals. In overall goals, you need to write down all the things that you need to do, and then you divide it in monthly goals, then weekly goals, and then each night write it down the things the your to do list for the next morning. Because you when you have a to do list, you wake up with the right mindset, you know what things you need to do, and it's become much easier when you have a to do list, when you have a list of goals. You become more organized because basically you never manage time is always running, you need to manage yourself. So that's the thing that I do, and what I recommend to you, have a notebook. And i I do not prefer to write it down in WordPad or Microsoft Word. Have a notepad like this, or whatever what kind of notebook you like. uh, have that and write your to-do list. Other than that, I use uh, Google Calendar. Yes. uh, mm, yeah. So yes, you can use Google Calendar. I add events in my Google Calendar. You can add here. You can set your time and it will notify you half an hour or whatever time you set. It will notify you, and you can sync your Google Calendar with your smartphone, and it will notify you. So it's a great way to become organized, and use your smartphone in your favor. uh, Not let it to distract you, because smartphone is a great tool, but it can also distract you a lot. So use your smartphone smartly, because that's why it called smartphone. And other than that, I use timer. I use Google Timer. You can see here. I use timer. You can use timer in your computer and laptop. You can use Google Timer, or you can use this phone, I use this simple keypad phone. I do not use smartphone while working because it's too distracting. You keep get notification from WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Gmail. So I generally avoid my smartphone. I switch it off or silent it and put it in my drawer. And I use this phone. It has timer option, or you can use timer from Google. And for 30 minutes, I just focused on my work. Nothing can distract me. I work straight for 30 minutes and then I take 5 minutes break and have a drink and take a walk and have some rest, and then come back and work for next 30 minutes and then take 5 minutes break, and I rinse and repeat until I complete that task. And generally I stop working at 7:30 and then I take some rest and chill it out, watch some shows. Basically I spend my time with family, and um, then I don't think about my work. I separate my work and my family time. After family time I read sometimes. I read some self-help books. I watch some videos about internet marketing and affiliate marketing, and I took some courses. I study those courses, but I generally follow a rule. I implement 70% and I study 30%. So you can also follow this rule because you have to implement things. You do not earn money by just reading stuff. You have to implement, because the the people who are earning most of the money are action takers. They are doers. uh, Reading helps you a lot, studying helps you a lot, but uh, you see the changes when you start taking action. So you need to take massive actions, and that's it. And this is all what I want to talk in this video. I do not want to make this video long. I just want to focus on these three stuff. Make your to-do list and use Google Calendar. Sync it with your mobile phone, and use 30 minutes timer and work, and then 5 minute take break, and then rinse and repeat. And that's it for today. And you can add me on Facebook. You can check it out my website, and that's it. Thank you. See you soon.